hope you are doing well and having a great day so far. I am going to review a really exciting product today. It is the T3 curling iron. It's stunning. I got the barrel because that's what I love to use. I do like to use the wands, but I always love to test out barrels because that is like my go-to thing. So this one is really cool. It's a barrel wand, but you can also interchange and put on different size barrels or rods if you want. You can really easily pop on the 1 1/4 or the 1.5, and this one's like super big boy. So I love all these different sizes, and you guys can kind of see, like for reference, what they all look like. Pretty awesome. I have been playing around with this curling iron for a few days now, and I love what it's doing. This ceramic barrel really helps not pull on your hair as you're like straightening it down. It also holds a curl pretty long, and it heats up super fast. There are 5 different heat settings. I think that's really cool. Mine is on the 3rd one to kind of give me some health back in my hair. So I guess based on your hair type, you know what to do. So yeah, this is like a first impressions review about the T3 curling wands. These things are super popular, so I wanted to kind of test them out and see if they'd be good for like my wedding hair or something. Okay, first of all, I'm so sorry about that crazy blowing noise in my video. It's our AC, and no matter what I do, it just blows like so loud. So loud. It's so annoying. But anyways, this curling iron is awesome. Definitely love the curls, and I just have to say it over and over again. The barrel on this, because it's ceramic, it isn't pulling my hair. If y'all notice, when I curl my hair, I always slide it down about halfway, and then I start curling upwards. And normally with my Hot Tools curling iron, it kind of pulls at my hair, and it feels really unhealthy for your hair. So this one already, right off the bat, I'm noticing a big difference in just how it's going down my hair shaft. I will also say my sister tested out my T3 curling iron and also said the same thing without me even telling her that I love that. So that's pretty cool and consistent. So if you have a curling iron that does that, I would definitely look into this. Now, as for the curls, I've been testing it out for, you know, a few days now, and I've got to say, like, my curls last and are really fun and bouncy. And it's great. Like, I'll sleep on my hair and it's still nice and curled and it's fun. You can definitely do a lot of different styles with this curling iron, so that's also a plus. Like I said, I have the 3 different size barrels, and that's really fun. If you're more of a wand person, they do have the wand option as well, so that could be really cool for you to look at. But honestly, like, there's a ton of hype around T3, and I was super, super skeptical. I was like, it's a curling iron. Who's going to spend that much money on a curling iron? But, I mean, y'all, I hate to say it, but I see why. Like, I would definitely recommend this curling iron to any of my close friends. And I really do love it. It's not only like gorgeous, but it does do its job, and it feels so good. So if you're looking to get a new curling iron, I would totally recommend the T3. You can do so many different styles with these wands. If you don't want the barrel look, you can wrap it around and it will give you a completely different look, more like that mermaid hair. That is so fun. But yeah, I really do like this one. I'm happy that I got it. It'll definitely be my wedding day curling iron, so keep your eye out for those videos. I'm sure I'll make some. But yeah, this is great. I don't know why I was showing you my phone. I think maybe Andrew texted me, or I was missing him, or I'm not really sure what I do. But anyways, these curls, they look so good. They're so bouncy, and they really do hold your curl. So that's awesome. So what I do, my little trick, is after I'm done curling my hair, oh, it looks so nice, I'm going to flip my head over and just run my fingers through my hair like crazy. I'm not going to brush it or do anything like that. I'm just going to flip it back, fix it a little bit, and then it will look perfect. Alright guys, it's about to get really loud, just preparing you. Alright guys, that is it for my video. Thank you for stopping by. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see any other hair tutorials, let me know in the comments down below. And if there's anything else, you guys can always go to my blog, and I have lots of different fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and of course hair stuff all on there too. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.